Hi guys, I hope you're all having an awesome day today. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing or unbagging my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of March. Right here, this little bag costs $25 a month. You get 5 full-size beauty products and you're promised a retail value of at least $120, and you're also able to choose 3 of those 5 products. So if you want to see what I got in my bag, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this month's Ipsy theme is Stronger Together, and I really like that theme because March 8th was International Women's Day, and overall I just really enjoy the theme. And so this is what the bag looks like. You have women holding hands together, which I think is really cool. The inside of the bag is red, and then it has the straps like that. So I do like this bag. This one feels a little bit like better quality than some of the recent ones that we've had, so I do like it. And I'm first going to show you guys what Ipsy chose for me, and then I'm going to show you my options for the 3 items that I chose, if that makes sense. But let's get started. The first thing that Ipsy chose for me is the Ofra Blush in Bellini. It says this is a liquid to baked and smoothing blush. And first of all, I like that it's a full product. This is a really big packaging, so I love Ofra Cosmetics. I don't know if this is going to be a good shade for me, but overall I'm glad to have it. This is the compact, really nice and big, so it should last a while. When you open it up, you have a mirror. And honestly, I'm a little bit disappointed because I just feel like that won't show up on my skin. I am going to try and swatch it. Let's see. You know what? I always eat my words with Ipsy. I think this might build up. Let me show you. So that's what it looks like. It actually, and I might be able to build it up even more. One thing that I love is that it's matte. I love matte blushes. So it is really buildable. I cannot believe it. I thought it was going to be like not noticeable on my skin. I mean, I might have to go in with something else on top, but overall it feels so nice and creamy that I think I could definitely use this as like, start with a layer of this and then go in with a brighter blush on top. So I actually am glad that I got it. I thought it would not match me, but that was the first product that Ipsy chose for me. The next product that Ipsy chose for me is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow Highlighter right here. I actually have never tried liquid highlighter, and I have a few like creamy ones that I can never get around to trying them. By the time I get to highlighter in my makeup routine, I feel like I don't think about it when I start my makeup, because I know you should wear something like this before powders. So I always forget, and then by the time I do highlighter, I always say, oh, I should have done it first. Okay, so that's, I put a little bit on my hand. That's, wow. That is so pretty. Wow. That right there is just gorgeous. You guys see that? I think these two together go really, really nicely. Oh my gosh. And it kind of started to dry very quickly, which seems like it's a nice formula. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but that is really, really pretty. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to remember to use it before like powders and try it out, because that is beautiful. You see how beautiful that is? I mean, I always need some sort of icy white highlighter on top, but I think I can see myself putting this on before powders and then going over it with a powder highlighter after, and I think that would look really, really nice. So I think I will try it. I'm glad that I got it. I've never tried something like this, but I do like it. Okay guys, now we're gonna get into the choices. So for my first product, I had the choice of the Kosas Tinted Face Oil Foundation in tone 04. I also had the choice of the House Laboratory Sparkle Lipstick in Burlesque, the Complex Culture Good Lighting Highlighter Duo in Lucid and Afterglow, Pearly's Beauty Silk Glow BB Base Primer. I also had the option of the Course Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser and the Pearly's Beauty Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. So I wasn't like, some of these things are really exciting. I almost got that lipstick. I love lipsticks. I always say that I want more lipsticks than Ipsy choices, but in the end, for some reason, that Kosas Tinted Face Oil Foundation really caught my attention. I really don't need foundation right now. I got like 2 new foundations through BoxyCharm this month. I got maybe 1 or 2. One from Ipsy last month. I have a lot of new foundations, but I have dry skin, so the thought of like a oil foundation seemed interesting to me. So I went ahead and chose that, but I almost chose the House Laboratories lipstick, but I feel like I have that shade, so I held back. But let me show you what it looks like. So this is the packaging, and it says here that makeup meets skincare. a featherweight light to medium coverage foundation and deeply hydrating skin elixir. So this says that is light to medium. That sounds really nice because I have a tinted moisturizer that I got from BoxyCharm, the Pure 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer that I thought would be too light, and using that with like something else and then some powder foundation on top has really helped my dry skin, and it gives me sort of like a medium to full coverage look. So going in with something like this as a base, I just thought it might be good for my skin, so that's why I went for it. I'm not going to open it because since I have so many new foundations, I'm just going to keep it to kind of conserve the shelf life. But I'm excited that I got this. It's something different. I just wanted, I don't know, I just thought it was different and more useful than the other items in the choice. But let's get to choice number 2. Okay guys, so for my second product, I had the choice of the Florence by Mills Glow Yeah Hydrating Lip Oil, Jekka Black Glow Drops in Rose Pearl, Air Repair Skincare Complexion Boosting Moisturizer, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel in medium brown. In the end, I chose the Dip Brow Gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm not so sure about this because I like using black everything for my brows, because I've tried brown in the past. I always mention that, and usually brown just tends to be a little bit red tinted, so it doesn't look so great on me. But that's the one they chose for me. Like, that's the option they gave me, and everything else wasn't exciting. So I went ahead and chose it. I'm not going to open it because I don't need this right now. I'm trying to be smart. I always open all my mascaras and I don't need to use them right away. So I am going to keep it, but I'm glad that I got it. I know Anastasia Beverly Hills, that's why I kind of chose it. So I also read amazing reviews on this product, so I'm glad to have it in my collection. And also, since I do use like black pencils, I could see myself going in with like this first or second, I don't know, and then with the black pencil I might be able to make it work. But that was my second product. Let's get to my third. Okay guys, so for my third product, I had the option of the Motd Cosmetics in a blush blending eye brush set, Colored Rain Vineyard Soiree palette, Sila Creme de la Creme, Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Invisible Plus. And I kind of had a hard time with this because I love eyeshadow brushes, and I do love Motd brushes. I have like 2 of their brushes, and I love them. Like, they are really good quality. So I almost chose that, but I am obsessed with eyeshadow palettes, if you guys know. So I could not pass up the Vineyard Soiree palette because it just looks so pretty. Like, I see purples and maybe like some with some hints of green, which is my favorite kind of eyeshadow palette color story. Purples and green. Well, I love everything actually. I don't have a favorite, but this is what it looks like. That's what I chose. I didn't know it was this small, but I actually love it. I've been obsessed with small eyeshadow palettes lately, but it's really tiny and cute and perfect for traveling. And you get a mirror, which I love. And that's what the palette looks like. That's the color story. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to play with this palette. It's so pretty and just really, really pretty. So that was my third product. And then I also did get an add-on that I want to show you guys. There's this new palette that they had available to some people. They didn't offer it to me, but I bought it through add-ons, and it's the Belle en Argent Plum Premonition palette. I'm actually wearing it in my eyes today. When I saw this in add-ons, I just really had to get it because I don't know, the color story just really caught my attention. And let me show you really fast. That's what this palette looks like. I got it through add-ons, but I know a lot of people got it in their bags, like as a choice. And I just really couldn't pass it up. It's so pretty, and I'm wearing it on my eyes at the moment. And I will have a tutorial for this look coming to my channel right after this, so maybe tomorrow, the day after this. And I'm also going to do a tutorial with the Vineyard Soiree palette, so look out for that. But overall, these palettes made it for me. Even though I had to pay extra for this one, I'm glad that they had different options of palettes, because the last few months Ipsy wasn't doing so great with like makeup related products. But in the end, I'm very happy with my bag this month. Let me just give you a little recap. I have this little eyeshadow palette. Then I have an Ofra Cosmetics blush, Kosas foundation, oil foundation, Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid glow, and also from ABH, the Dip Brow Gel. So I think overall, this is a great bag, and I'm really glad that I got everything that I did. I'm very pleased, and Ipsy did a great job this month. My glam bag actually was really good. I was expecting it to not be as good, and it was amazing. So if you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it down below so you can watch it if you want. But I think that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys. Mwah.